Hey guys, this is Tony from Finding Disney. I've had a lot of my clients ask me about these Murphy beds. Are they comfortable? How much room do they take up? How do you pull them down? Are they easy? Is it hard? So today I thought I'd just show you guys how easy it is to transform these Murphy beds into a bed. So your first step is going to be to remove the chairs from the table. Just grab onto the handle and just pull down. It comes down really easily. The table has a hinge, and then it kind of acts as the base for the bed. There's a cute photo of Pluto in there. The pillows are actually on the other bed, as you'll see in this photo here. And then you just move them over when you're ready to go to bed. And then when you want to fold up the Murphy bed, just transfer the pillows back over to the other bed and then fold it back up. These photos are from Art of Animation. They also have Murphy beds as well, and it's just a really nice option. So that way you can fold it up and have a really nice table and also save a little space. So we have the queen size Murphys, but there's also some that are twin size, and you'll see those listed as being fifth sleepers, and they're really convenient. The only problem is you can only fit a smaller child on here. I think the weight limit on these is 100 pounds. This one is at the new Riviera Resort. It's just so cute with the black and white Mickey. Just so classic. But the best Murphy bed on property, I think, is also at Riviera. It's so cool how this sofa transitions into the Murphy bed. It's just super sweet. And then it has the Peter Pan mural on the back. It's just so pretty. I love it. I want to stay here so bad. Then when you're ready to fold the bed back up, you just grab it by the sides, pull it back up and put it into place. You don't need to lock it or anything. It just stays up and it's really perfect. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up for me and follow me for more Disney tips. We'll see you again really soon. Bye, Disney fans.